Hi all, welcome to SSL Technologies. Today we will be learning about Unit 1 name Excel Foundation. So already in the previous video we have learnt about cell, active cell and all. So what is a cell? Cell is nothing but the intersection of row and column. So all these are cells in MS Excel. Intersection of row and column is called as cell. What is active cell? The cell which we select is called as active cell. See here I am selecting B3, B column, third row. B3 will be the active cell. The cell, whichever cell we select is called as active cell. So how to select a cell? Just click on that cell and that cell will be selected. If I want to select E4 cell, E4, E column 4th row, just click in that cell will be selected. And if I want to select multiple cells, what I have to do is select a particular cell and drag. The mouse pointer will turn into plus sign in the corner. You can observe the mouse pointer here. First it would be like this, and whenever you take it to the corner, that will become plus sign, and then you drag it so that multiple cells will be selected. You can drag downwards, all the cells will be selected. So you can select multiple cells by dragging the mouse pointer. Next one is changing the column width. Changing the column width is, suppose if you take roll number, name, subject 1, marks. See here, roll number, the roll number space is very less here. The column width is very less. That means the content is more and the width is less. So if you want to increase the width of this cell, width of this column, if you want to increase, how will you do is, see, take the mouse pointer to the header row. The column names A, B, C, D ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇక్కడ పైకి తీసుకెళ్ళాలి. That would turn to plus sign. See here, it would turn to plus sign. Simply double click on that. Just double click on that. See, I will do it once again. Previously it was like this. Just double click, take the mouse pointer to the header row, then just double click on that. As per the column width size, it gets adjusted. See here, subject 1 marks. Here also I am just double clicking. Just double click, that gets adjusted. And one more method, second method is, whenever you take the mouse pointer here, don't double click it, you can simply drag the mouse. Drag చేస్తే మనకి ఆటోమేటిక్ గా సైజ్ అనేది ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిపోతుంది. సో వన్ మెథడ్ is double click on the header row, one is dragging, and there is one more third method also to adjust the column width, that is select the cell in that column. ఈ column లో నేను cell select చేయాలి. Then in home tab we have format option. Here in the cells group we have format option. Click on that format. You have column width. So column width has come here. I am adjusting to 40 size. You can take any size, that size will be adjusted. See here, name column is this much. I'll adjust the format. Column width, I'll give it as 35. Okay. See, the column has changed. The width has changed. So column width adjust cheyalante 3 methods unnai. Just take the mouse pointer onto the header row. There you double click. First method. Second method is simply drag it. First method double click, second method dragging, third method is format option. Format option in the home tab. Home లో cells group లో format option. Format లో column width select చేయాలి, మనం size ఇవ్వాలి. Size ఇచ్చేసి మనం click on just okay. The size will be adjusted. Similarly, changing the row height. Row height also you can change. How can you change the row height is, here just on the row numbers 1 to 3 ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ row numbers దగ్గర just double click చేయొచ్చు లేదా drag చేయొచ్చు. See, now I am dragging. Drag చేసినప్పుడు కూడా row height will be changing. Or else format లో సేమ్ ఇక్కడ column width option ఉన్నట్టు row height option ఉంటుంది. Just select that row height, adjust the row height. I am adjusting to 35. Click on OK. So 35 size కి adjust అయిపోతుంది. So adjusting the row height, column width, 3 steps. One is double click, one is drag, one is format option. Next one is inserting the rows. If I want to insert more number of rows, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 records are there in this. A, B, C, D, E. Some marks. See, this table is there. If I want to insert one more record here in between, after 2 I want to insert one more record to insert some rows. If you want to insert some rows, what you will do is just press insert, go to insert sorry, in home tab. Same in the cells group, we are having one insert option. Insert sheet rows. I'll select rows. One row will be inserted. Now observe, the mouse pointer is in the roll number 5 column. Roll number 5 column lo mouse pointer anedi undi. Here if I select insert sheet rows, so above that 5 the row will be inserted. Similarly I can insert columns also. See here, mouse pointer is in which cell is the active cell? C3. Roll number 1 అనేది active cell ఉంది. Here I am going insert sheet columns. I have inserted one column ఇక్కడ insert అయింది. Now if you select A, నేమ్ అనేది A లో ఉంది, A సెలెక్ట్ చేసి నేను ఇన్సర్ట్ కాలమ్, షీట్ కాలమ్ if I do, one column will be inserted here. Here I will select, put date of birth. I can insert whatever data I want, I can insert. ఇక రోస్ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలంటే select a particular cell and go to insert option. Insert option ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? Home tab లో cells group లో insert ఉంటుంది. So insert, then sheet rows. If you want to insert columns, insert sheet columns. So if you want to insert cells, you can do insert cells also. Insert sheet, one more sheet will be added. See, sheet 2. Sheet 2 is added here. So inserting అనేది rows add చేయొచ్చు, cells add చేయొచ్చు, columns add చేయొచ్చు. Along with that, you can insert sheets also. One more method of inserting rows is just select this cell 2, select చేస్తున్నాను. I will press control plus, control key as well as plus key from the keyboard. Whenever I press control plus, you will get like this. Shift cells to the right, entire row, entire column. I'll select entire row. Okay. See, 2 అనేది కిందికి డ్రాగ్ అయిపోయి ఇక్కడ one more cell అనేది insert అయింది. So you can insert rows as well as columns also. Select this, control plus, entire column. Okay. So one more column is inserted. So using keyboard is control plus key. Using that options, insert option from the home tab. Home tab లో insert option కన్నా వెళ్ళొచ్చు, keyboard నుంచి control plus key అయినా press చేయొచ్చు. So that is the way you can insert rows as well as column. Similarly, how can you delete the columns? Just select that cell. Now roll number 1 I am selecting. I am going to delete sheet rows. That row will be deleted. See, roll number 1 is deleted. See, now I will select this blank cell. Above 2 there are 2 blank cells. 2 blank rows ఉన్నాయి. ఆ 2 blank rows లో 1 row delete చేస్తున్నా నేను. So select that cell, delete sheet rows. See, one blank cell is deleted, only one is remaining now. Now if I want to delete date of birth column, ఈ column delete చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. Select any one of that cells in that column, select any cell and then click on delete sheet columns. The entire column, date of birth column అనేది delete అయిపోయింది. Similarly, keyboard నుంచి delete చేయాలంటే what will be the option? Yes, control minus. Control plus ఏమో inserting కి, control minus will be for deleting. See, control minus, I'll select control minus. See, now I have selected E3 cell. Control minus, entire column. I'm deleting entire column. See that column, blank column ఏదైతే ఉందో delete అయిపోయింది. This blank row if I want to delete, control minus, entire row I'm deleting. That blank column అనేది delete అయిపోయింది. సో ఈ కాలమ్స్ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలన్నా డిలీట్ చేయాలన్నా హోమ్కి వెళ్ళాలి, ఇన్సర్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఆర్ డిలీట్ ఆప్షన్. Similarly, from the keyboard, select any cell as well as control plus key for inserting the cells, control minus key for deleting the cells. Next option is wrapping text and merging cells. Wrapping text we will see. See, name is some, suppose if you have very big name, see here I have made some changes. Column width అనేది చేంజ్ చేసిన నేను ఇక్కడ. కాలమ్ విడ్త్ ఐ హావ్ చేంజ్డ్ ఇట్. కాలమ్ విడ్త్ చేంజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే సబ్జెక్ట్ 1 మార్క్స్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గా డిస్ప్లే అవ్వట్లేదు. టెక్స్ట్ విడ్త్ అనేది సరిపోవట్లేదు మనకి. మెసేజ్ కంప్లీట్ టెక్స్ట్ డిస్ప్లే అవ్వడానికి the width is not sufficient. So what we'll do is we'll wrap the text. Select that cell. See here in home tab, in alignment group, we are having wrap text option. Select that wrap text. Here roll number and adjust the cell width. So text అనేది wrap అయిపోతుంది. This also subject 1 marks you select, click on wrap text. See the text will be wrapped in the text in the box. The text will be wrapped inside the box. అంటే మనకున్న విడ్త్ లో అడ్జస్ట్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. ద రో హైట్ విల్ ఇంక్రీజ్. రో హైట్ అనేది ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. సో దట్ ఎంటైర్ కంటెంట్ ఈస్ విజిబుల్ టు అస్. దట్ ఈస్ wrapping the text. If I write some larger text here, some larger text is there. If I select this cell, wrap text, see the row height is adjusted so that complete text is visible. So that complete text is visible. That is the wrap text advantage. Wrap text, what it will do is it will adjust the row height such that the entire content is visible. Next one is merging cells. Let me delete this. Okay, next one is merging cells. Roll number, name, subject 1, subject 1, subject 2, subject 1, subject 2. Here I'll keep marks. Let me draw border for all the cells. See, I have drawn the border. Now roll marks is for both subject 1, subject 2, marks is common. If I want to club these two columns, club these two cells, if I want to club these two cells, what I'll do is select the two cells and click on merge and center. See, merge and center option is available in home alignment group. Alignment lo merge and center undi. Merge and center click cheyagane these two cells will be merged together. See here, now I want to merge E1 and E2 I want to merge. Just select them, merge and center. The cell will be merged. See these two, D1, D2, if I want to merge, I'll merge, select the cells and click on merge and center. So those will be merged and control plus I'll do. See. Now you can observe this. I'm adjusting the size column width. See here how this cell contains two cells merged together. These two contains merged together. Here these two columns, these two F4 and G4 are merged together, and in marks ane content lo kinda subdivision is subject 1, subject 2. So if you want to merge any cells, if you want to combine two cells, two or more cells, then we will make use of merge and center option from the alignment group in the home tab. That is merge and center. Next topic is moving around a worksheet. Moving around a worksheet means how to move in the complete worksheet. There are so many rows and columns in the worksheet. To move from one cell to another cell, how will you move? So directly just click on the any of the cell which you want to move. If I want to move to L7 cell, so L7, just click on that. I will be moving to that particular cell. So directly you can just click on the cell and directly you can move to that particular cell. See, any cell you can move. That is one method using the mouse. Using the keyboard, how will you move is if I am in B12 cell, if I am in B12 cell, if I want to move to G10, from B12 to G10, if I want to move using the mouse keyboard, just use the arrow keys, directly you can enter to that particular cell. So using the keyboard, you can use arrow keys as well as page up or page up key, page down key. Page up key, page down key from the keyboard. Otherwise directly mouse clickings. Directly you can click on the cell and you can move into that particular cell. So this is about unit 1 part 1. In next video we will continue other things. Thank you all of you.